What's up, everybody? OMB. Hey, look, I appreciate y'all subscribing to the channel. Do subscribe if you're not subscribed. And hit that bell icon so you can be notified for future videos. Hey, look, here's something that I'm about, and I'm totally about this. I want to give Eddie Hearn some props. You know what I'm saying? Because, he brought that fight to the right place, to the right people, and he made a statement. In my opinion, he made a statement. First of all, by bringing George Kambosos over there, and he had to know, he know that Kambosos is a good fighter. You know, while all of us over here, at least not all of us, people like me who have, things been happening and, so I haven't been in the loop. You know what I'm saying? He brought this dude to New York. Let me tell you something. Madison Square Garden, you can't rep your sport or your brand by bringing chumps or tomato can, as they used to say back in the days, to go fight a Teofimo Lopez in Madison Square Garden and expecting for people to be giving your brand props. But Eddie Hearn didn't do that. He put his brand behind this. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that was a dope fight, B. I'm just saying, y'all. Yo, I'm still talking about it, man, because it was that good of a fight. Now, I'm gonna talk a little bit more about it, because there was things that I didn't mention, and it just spoke values to me, and I want to explain other things. I want to tell y'all, like, for instance, what a fan means. It means that you're a fanatic of the sport. You know what I'm saying? You're not just a fan. You know what I mean? So there's different levels of fanatics. You got fanatics who will dedicate their whole life to it and become commentators and follow these people around. You know what I'm saying? Then you got the people who do it as a second job and go out and go to events and do all that. And then you got the people like me who just follow it, via what I see, as far as watching the boxing matches and then listening to the interviews and so on and so on and so on and so. So there's different levels to it, you know what I'm saying? I happen to be that lower level, but yet enough of a level to know what I'm seeing and know what the hell is going on. So Eddie Hearn doing his thing, y'all, seemed like he's snatching up all the boxers up out of here, man. I'm just saying, y'all, that's what it looked like to me. I ain't mad at him, because you gonna be bringing sleepers out like that. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? And now let's get to talk on the fight just a little bit more. Well, George Kambosos was so confident and knew what he was gonna do so well that after each round he talking smack to dang on Teofimo. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what he was saying, but look, let me tell you something. They ain't nothing worse than wanting to kick somebody's ass so bad. Instead, you getting your ass kicked and then they talking shit. Yo, that's funny as hell, dog. Like, oh, yo, this fight is a trip. You're talking shit to Teofimo. Damn near after the first 4 or 5 rounds consecutively, Wheels. I'm like, yo. Now this is how a fan reacts to stuff like that. Because we know what it is. You had to have been there. You know what I'm saying? There's times I've been there, you know what I'm saying? Got my ass bowled over, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, well, yeah, okay, I underestimated your ass. You know what I'm saying? So if you ain't been there, you won't know. You can look, if you've been in them streets, you got your ass kicked more than one damn time. So look, I don't want to hear all this tough guy stuff people be talking. Just stop it. Because you got to get your ass kicked in order to start kicking ass. Because then you know what ass kicking is all about. I'm just saying. But anyway, Yo, so you know Teofimo was getting frustrated, and then he ain't gonna lie, he did his thing in certain rounds. He won certain rounds, but for the most part, man, he was getting sunned, b like that. You know what I'm saying? But back to Eddie Hearn, give you some props on this one. Got to keep it up though. Let's see what you bring next. O&B signing out. Peace.